Hello students, how are you all? Now we are going to discuss question number 3, chapter 14, statistics, exercise 14.4. Correct? The question says the following table and gives the following table gives the production of a crop. So production in kg it is given. The intervals 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 71, 75 to 80, and the frequency is given. How we understood that it's a frequency or cumulative frequency? If the numbers are is not in any pattern, understood? Suppose here the numbers are mixed, 2, 8, 12, 24, 38, then again 16 comes, correct? Means neither it is in increasing order, neither it is in decreasing order. So what we will do? It's a frequency. We know that when we are talking about ogive, correct, then it depends on cumulative frequency. For the ogive, to draw the graph of ogive, we need cumulative frequency. So what we have to do? We have to want cumulative frequency. In the question it says draw more than type ogive. The question says draw more than type ogive. So the first and the most important thing to draw the more than type, you first have to write, correct? Here you will write, here it is 50. Here the first interval is what? 50 to 55. So first we will use the term more than equals to. मोर देन मतलब मेरे को यहाँ पे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मोर देन टाइप ओजाइव बोल रहा है, तो मेरे को एक वर्ड यूज करना पड़ेगा मोर देन, और इसमें मैं कौन सी लिमिट यूज करूंगा? लोअर लिमिट. अंडरस्टूड? सो दिस विल कैंसल. 50 to 55 वी विल राइट मोर देन इक्वल्स टू 50. लोअर लिमिट, इसमें मैं लोअर लिमिट यूज करूंगा. आफ्टर दैट हियर इन द सेकंड वन लोअर लिमिट इज व्हाट? 55. So here we will write more than equals to 55, the second one. After that third one, more than equals to 60. After that here lower is 65, more than equals to 65. Now here the lower limit is 70. So what we will write? More than equals to 70. Now what we will write? Here the lower limit is 75. So more than or equals to 75. This one is the most important statement. Remember, more than equals to 50. Now more than equals to 55, like this. Now we know that ogive, for ogive, to draw the graph of ogive, we need cumulative frequency. So we will find cumulative frequency, that is CF. How we find the CF? In more than type. In more than type, see, more than type. In less than type, we know the graph goes like this, from lower to higher position. But in less than type, but in more than type, the graph comes like this. Understood? More than means more, word is using more, so more say less. More than matlab more say less it comes. Understood? So what we will do now? First we will find cumulative frequency. For more than type, first we add this particular frequency. So when you add this one, it is given already in the question, it comes 100, correct? For more than type, what you will do? You write this total of frequency, whatever comes, you write this here first. Understood? Now 100 minus 2, what you got? 98. 98 minus 8, what you got? 90. 90 minus 12, what you got? 78. 78 minus 20 means what you got? 54. Now 54 minus 38, so 54 means 44, 34, 24, 20. After that 16. What you got here? You got here 16. Means this one and this one comes same. It means that our subtraction is correct. This one always matches. So this shows that our correction is correct. Now we have to draw ogive. This one is the interval and this one is the frequency, cumulative frequency. We know that interval always comes on x-axis and cumulative frequency always comes on y-axis. So now we are going to draw the graph, correct? So this one is the graph. This one is y-axis, and this one is what? X-axis. Understood? As the lower limit is what? As the limit is of 50, means we have to draw the graph from 50. So we use kink. Why we are using kink here? because we are not going to start the graph in a systematic way. After a particular gap, we are going to start. So here we got what? Here we got 55. Sorry, 50. Here we got 50. After that it is 55. After that it is 60. After that it is 65 and 65. After that it is 70 and at last it is 75. Understood? Similarly, here the cumulative frequency is what? It is 16, 54, 78, 90, 98, 100. So we will take 10 to 100. So 0, after that 10, after that 20, after that 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and this last is 100. In the blackboard, here the distance is not same, understood? But in the graph paper, the distance comes same. So keep your mind set. The distance between all should be equal, because I am drawing on the blackboard. So the distance is not same, but in the graph paper, these distances should be equal. Understood? Now it is given 50, it is 100. So here it is 50, here it is 100. So first point comes here. After that it is in 55, it is 98. So here it is 55. Here we got, suppose here it is 55. Here we got, suppose here we got 98. Just below. After that in 60 it is 90. So in 60 it comes 90. So suppose it comes on this side 90. After that in 65 it is 78. So here it is 65. Here it is 70. And a little bit above. Suppose here it comes 65. It comes 78. Understood? It comes here 78. After that in 70 it is 54. So here it is 70. Where is 54? In 70, or here it is, suppose here it is 54. Now at last it is given in 75 it is 16. So here it is 75, correct? And here it is, suppose here it comes 16. So what you will do? With the free hand you draw the graph, correct? With the free hand you draw the graph. Because it's a free hand graph, always remember there is no need to use a scale or other things. Understood? Here it's a free hand graph. Now write the coordinates also. First x-axis, then y-axis. So it is 50, 100. In the second one it is 55, 98. In the third one it is 60, 90. In the fourth one it is 65, 78, and so on. Understood? So in this question, this much we are having. Okay everyone, thank you.